Good morning, class. Good morning, class 6. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 6, your chapter number 3, working with tables. In last video, we completed the exactly what is a table introduction part. So, our table is a grid of cells arranged in rows and columns, and tables are useful for organizing information in a concise and easily readable way. And then text contained in our tables is easy to space and align, and which make them ideally for presenting list or related informations in publisher like store hours or products and their prices. Now in this lesson you will learn how to insert, modify and change the appearance of tables, and we discussed last class to how to insert a table. So click the insert tab and locate the tables group, then click the table drop down command. After you will hover your mouse over the diagram square to select the number of columns and rows in the table, and then click your mouse. So the table will be inserted. Now check today's topic is your resizing and arranging tables. So depending on the size of the page you are working with or other objects and you choose to add, you may have to resize or rearranging your tables. So tables can be modified like any other objects. Review the working with objects lesson for more information. Now student, just click on insert tab. In this insert tab you click a table. So now you can see this is a table. Okay, so how to resize it? So just the pointer in this, click this pointer to drag this side. Okay, now you can adjust size of table this. Okay, so this is the resizing of your table, and you can move this like this. Okay, so this is a moving and resizing in your table. And now this is the design table tools. Just click all this. You can see different types of design tools in our tables. So just click and choose any colors in your table. Okay, in your data. Now student, next part is your shading and border. So this is a shading area, and after you can see this is the border. Okay, so this border and shading features in this table MS Word document. So next is student modifying table layout. So add a table, add a row or columns. So place the insertion point in a cell adjacent to the location where you wish to add a row or a column. Now modifying table layout, select the table tools layout tab and locate the rows and columns group and insert your new row or new columns. And if you would like to insert a new row, select either insert above or insert below. Then if you would like to insert a new column, select either insert left or right side. So see, modifying table layout, the new row or column will appear after. How to delete a row or column? So select the row or column if you wish to delete by placing the insertion point in any cell in that row or column. Second, select the table tools layout tab, then locate the rows and column group. After, click the delete drop down command button. Finally, tap a drop down menu will appear. Select delete rows or delete columns. The row or column will be deleted. Now your topic is formatting tables. So student, the quickest way to format your data is to apply a table style which modifies your table's border, fill, alignments and margins in a visually applying way. So you can further customize your table's appearance by making your own changes as accepts like border appearance used and cell fill colors. So all our changes we can use this table in MS Word document. Then how to apply a table style sheet. So click anywhere on the table, then select the table tools design tab and locate the table format groups. Then click the move table styles drop down arrow to see all of our table styles. Then hover the mouse over the various styles to see a left preview. Then select the desired styles. The table style will appear in the document. Now students, see how to add borders to a table. So select the cells you wish to add or a border to, or if you wish to add a border to the entire table. So click the gray box surrounding the outer edge of the table. Then click the tables tools design tab and locate the borders group. Then finally click the borders drop down command button. Last step, you will use from the drop down menu, select the desired border and the border will be applied. So see, you can see a table in your MS Word how to apply a border. Last student, you can see here to change the appearance of borders, some changes. So select the cells whose borders you wish to modify. Then click the Table Tools Design tab and locate the Borders group. Click the Line Weight drop down arrow. Same as it is, follow the steps and figure you can see here. Then select a new line weight from the drop down list. In fourth step, click the line color drop down color command, then select a new line color. So double click the borders command, the changes to the border will be applied. So student, your today's homework is revise all these topics and practice table in MS Word document to apply tables, use borders, fill colors and formatting. The class is